What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learning. In today's episode, I will teach you how to fix TikTok search bar. So let's get it started. So apparently, you can search anything on TikTok by clicking the TikTok search button, and that's where you can search anything you want. But if there's a problem and you can't search on your TikTok, this is how you're going to fix it. First, go to your settings and scroll down and find app management. Then go to app list and search for TikTok app. Then after you search TikTok app, just go to storage usage and clear your TikTok data and cache. After you did that, you can now go to your TikTok to see if there's a change. And if the search button is still not there, you just need to reinstall your TikTok and that might fix your TikTok. And that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.